What does Sonoma Ranch West offer, other than caliche, of course? Find out here. Welcome to the 2018 Sonoma Ranch West Market Report. Sonoma Ranch West outsold Sonoma East by 1 home and had the second most home sales in Las Cruces with 185 homes sold, just behind the Jornada Las Colinas area. There were 164 homes sold in 2017 and 144 homes sold in 2016. Sonoma Ranch West is on a steady incline year over year. The average home price is slightly up to $239,000, which is about an $8,000 increase from 2017 when it was $231,000. Veterans Park, Sonoma Ranch Golf Course, and the close proximity to the Lowman Telshore corridor make Sonoma West a centrally located community and a great choice for locals and people new to the area as well.